Here we go, money talk.
Here comes the money.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Stock Brother bringing you those bangers. On this channel, we review hot stocks and are always looking for those hidden gems. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and smash that like button. Join the family by subscribing to the Patreon so we can all get that paper together. Make sure to watch the whole video so you don't miss out on all the banging hot fresh information I'm bringing to you. Today, we're discussing Russia versus Ukraine, the best stocks to buy during war. Just to be clear, I am not advocating for war. War is a terrible thing and should be avoided at all costs. What I am advocating for is protection of your portfolio. Because as we know, if this war does pop off between Russia and Ukraine, our portfolios will take a big hit. These stocks would help blunt that blow if it does happen. Just as a reminder, beginning March 1st, the membership will be going up to $25 per month. If you get in before March 1st, you will remain at the $9.99 level for as long as you remain a member. So again, March 1st, it's going up to $25 a month, but if you get in, you will stay at the $9.99 level for the life of your subscription. I kept the price low for a good while, guys, so hurry up and get in before the price increase. Everybody that's in my Patreon is making money and is getting that paper. So get off the fence. If you're on the fence about it, get in and let's get this money. Make that change in your life. If you've been struggling in the stock market, then this is the place to be. Okay, guys? Now, before we get started, we're going to take care of some business and get right into it. If you're new to the channel, this channel is about investing in stocks, making that money, and of course, making more money. So before we get started, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on all the hot new videos, and smash that like button. Don't forget to share the video with your friends and family so we can all get that paper together. Subscribe to the Patreon to join the family, and as a bonus, you get real-time alerts of when I buy and sell my stocks. It's an easy way to follow along and get that paper, baby.
This past year, the United States has provided a record amount of security assistance to Ukraine, but the bottom line is this. The United States and our allies and partners will support the Ukrainian people. We will hold Russia accountable for its actions. The West is united and resolved. We're ready to impose severe sanctions on Russia if it further invades Ukraine.
The first stock on the list is Northrop Grumman, ticker symbol NOC. This stock closed at $391.25 and it was down over 1% for the day. They had a loss of $6.86. This stock has been on fire, and as you can see from the year range, the high for the year was $408.97, so they're very close to the high. Northrop Grumman is an American multinational aerospace and defense technology company. They have over 90,000 employees and an annual revenue in excess of $30 billion. It's one of the largest weapons manufacturers and military technology providers in the world. Now, if you didn't know, Northrop is the producer of the B-2 stealth bomber. It's the most deadliest nuclear-capable weapon on Earth. They also had a hand in building the F-35 fighter jet, which is the most advanced fighter jet in the world as well. This company has been seeing strong demand for its products on a global scale, and we're going to see that increase with this crisis. According to MarketBeat, Northrop posted the following results for fiscal year 2021 and Q4. They had sales of $8.6 billion in Q4 and 2021 sales of $35.7 billion. They had an EPS of $17.14 in Q4. They had an EPS of $43.54 in 2021. 2021 cash from operations was $3.6 billion, and 2021 transaction adjusted free cash flow of $3.1 billion. They had $4.7 billion returned to shareholders via dividends and share purchases in 2021. Northrop recently declared a quarterly dividend of $1.57 per share to anyone that owns the stock as of February 28th. Now this dividend is going to be payable as of March 16, 2022. The next stock on the list is Alcoa Corp, ticker symbol AA. This stock closed at $78.20 and it was up over 2% for the day. They had a gain of $1.73. Now as we can see, the year range for this stock is $21.07 with a high of $78.37, which they hit on Friday. Alcoa is the world's 6th largest producer of aluminum, and it's based right here in America. This stock has been an absolute tear because of what's going on, and I think it will go ballistic if things pop off between Ukraine and Russia. According to Barron's, the conflict between Russia and Ukraine could affect the aluminum commodity market. The article states Russia is a large aluminum producer. That's one of the reasons for the recent commodity and aluminum related stock price gains. The country made roughly 3.7 million metric tons of the metal in 2021. Now if this war does pop off between Ukraine and Russia and the sanctions are put in place, we could see a dramatic spike in the cost of aluminum and tremendous gains for Alcoa stock. According to Tip Ranks, Alcoa is listed as a strong buy, with 12 analysts covering the stock, 9 with a buy, 3 with a hold. The median price range is $70.83 and the highest price target is $90. In my opinion, I can see this blowing right past that $90 price target. This is definitely one to consider adding to your portfolio. The next stock on the list is ExxonMobil, ticker symbol XOM. This stock closed at $77.36 and it was down over 1% for the day. They had a loss of 87 cents. The year range for this stock was $51.80 on the low and $83.08 on the high. Russia is a large producer of energy. They supply oil and gas to many countries in the European Union. Now, if the sanctions take effect, these countries will need to get their supplies somewhere else, and ExxonMobil stands to benefit from this situation. In my opinion, I can see oil prices skyrocketing, not only in Europe, but also in America as well. We could be looking at $7 per gallon gas prices here in the States. Let's hope that doesn't happen, but you never know with these situations. Now here's a bonus. T-Crum Weat Fund, ticker symbol WEAT. This fund closed at $7.66 and it was down 0.39% with a loss of 3 cents for the day. This fund has a year range of $5.79 on the low to $8.31 on the high. Here's why you should take a look at this fund. According to Barron's, Russia and Ukraine are both significant wheat producers. Russia produces roughly 80 million metric tons of wheat annually, and Ukraine grows about 33 million metric tons. The global wheat production tops 775 million metric tons annually. Benchmark US wheat prices are up about 3% year to date and have risen about 20% over the past 12 months. So we can see that if this war does happen, we can see a significant price increase in wheat, and this fund stands to benefit from that. If you do have a chance, take a look at this fund. According to their summary, they provide investors with an easy way to gain exposure to the price of wheat futures in a brokerage account. So definitely check them out. That's all I have for today. Comment down below and let me know your thoughts on what we discussed. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and help your boy out by smashing that like button. It helps my channel out with the YouTube algorithm. So until next time, let's get that paper.